Oh, nice cool air. All right, we're in the rainforest. We're going to the waterfall. We did a video the other day, but it wasn't finished, so we'll start a new one because we're actually going to go up to the waterfall this time. So we do proper footage. You hear the other ones crashing up below. We were just going along and we found a nice bunch of bananas. We chopped them down. On the way back, I video it and show you. We're going to take that back. And we found a grapefruit on the floor, which fell off the tree that was ripe. And we had a little munch of that. Very sour, I can still taste it in my mouth. It was very sour. But here we have the river down there. You can hear it, but you probably can't hear it on the camera. It's really loud to us. Ah, this is where we came down bits. Here. You reckon you can climb this? Yeah, there, look, there's the river. That's where we went down. You just got to get down there, look. There, see the river? You really need to go, bits. You really need to go, man. Look at the river, and we can follow it all the way down. Because it's been raining, look how torrential it is. I know it's steep, but yes, guys, me and my uncle, we climbed down this about 2.5 months ago. Look, I'll zoom in so you can have a look. And down there is the river and the second waterfall. Me and my uncle climbed down here and we climbed back up like soldiers. All the way to the bottom with a rucksack and a cutlass. It's not that deep, man. This is where we went down. I'm saying back up there. Imagine if we climbed down there, we were going through forest. And we have loads of bamboos here. They're all getting aged. Beautiful, years and years old of trees. Look up there. And we've got the beautiful sunlight coming through here. But yeah, guys, we're going to the waterfall. We're going to show you the full walkthrough of it. Yeah. Look at the beauty, guys. Beautiful. Listen to that bit. Look, see there? Oh, we can get to there from here. Look, we can do this. This is easy. We can do that. And come back up. Hey guys, we might take this route later. I'm taking him to the waterfall first, but I'm thinking about doing this one. We can do that, man. We'd have to go through the rapids though, because that bit brings you down to the river. We'd have to get through this rapids on the rocks. But we can do that, man. Look, that's not hard.
We have steps.
There's steps, it's just that is the steepest bit getting down. The rest is walking, isn't it? We can do that.
What's the alternative?
Stay at the waterfall.
Well, let's see the waterfall first.
Look, bits. Oh, look at this. Look, guys. Look at the beauty of this land. Just take a look, guys. Look at this. Absolutely breathless. Look. Look at the beauty. Pure, clean water. Look at the water. Wow, guys. Amazing, amazing. Amazing. Don't forget, as I said, soon we'll have pepewatertours.com will be up and running eventually. I'm going to try and get some footage of this, guys, so you can have a look. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. All right, we're at the waterfall, guys. There's the evidence.
Yeah.
They've been here. Look.
After the rain.
Yeah. You see? They've been here. All right, guys, we're going to start climbing up to the waterfall now. It's basically up these stairs. I'm just going to have a look at this track. And the road doesn't stop here, you know that?
It goes.
Yeah, it goes further. You want to come have a look? We're going to have a little look on the backland. There it goes all the way through. This is what runs beside the waterfall. This used to be all clear, but it's not gone. There's even some banana trees growing there by itself. They've grown themselves. That's crazy. Pure banana trees everywhere. Alright guys, we're gonna go up. This is a mission. I may have to pause the video sometime. Someone's moved all that. That's been moved. Someone's chopped it all. Look.
Yeah.
Someone's broke it up. Right, we're going up, we're going up. Oh. Alright, this is the bit where I have to climb, guys, so we may have to pause the video because I may need to use 2 hands. Alright, I've got to pause the video. Bits. Alright guys, I'm up the first bit. Just going to wait for Valentino to get up. I basically get up here, and it's just a walk up here. What we're going to do is we're going to build some proper steps here, so people can just walk straight up, and then all they got to do is go around there. We're going to build all this properly, securely and safely, so we can do some tours. Right, we just got to go up there. I'm going to grab up this tree and get up there. Up we go. Oh fuck, that cutlass. Cutlass in my backpack's getting stuck on the tree. That Bits is behind me, so he pushed it out the way. Alright. And then we did have some bamboo railings here. It's still got the metal things. So all this needs to be built. A bamboo rail going all the way along here. All the way along. Then you have these ones here that my uncle built. Proper nature stairs. Look at these stairs, guys. Look, forged by nature, forged by rocks. Right, we're going up. And then we got all this, which my uncle made. You see, it's rotted. All needs replacing. Yeah, I'm just going to carry on Bits to the waterfall. Alright, we're going along. Valentino's just taking some pictures of the beauty up here. Along the trail, you've got this beautiful, look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. And then we come down here. And along. Yeah man, now we got up the top. And we're into the beautiful waterfall, guys. We're here. This is it. The beauty of the Canaries village. Right here. On the land. In the beautiful village of Canaries. Proper Indiana Jones stuff, huh? Look at this, guys. Just look. Stunning. Here comes Mr. Valentino trying to keep up. I bet he's not seen beauty like this. You ever see anything like this in your life? Huh? Look here, look. Wait till you see the waterfall Bits. Look at this. Beautiful, guys. Heaven. Heaven on earth. Right, a massive shout out to the cabman the other day who got me to Gatwick. Big up yourself. Massive shout out to the cousins, you know who you are. Big shout out to anyone else that's subscribed. Yeah man, we're here, we made it. We're here, man. Right, this is the beginning of the waterfall, guys. Look at this. We're here. Yes, guys. This is it. The most purest, cleanest water you will ever see. Such beauty. There's the treasure, brother. Alright guys, we've made it. We're here. Here's the waterfall, first part. Look at this, guys. Absolute stunning. Look at this. Look, look, look. Just take a look. Look. That's what I'm talking about. The heart and soul of Canaries. This river is providing so much water to the people down in the village. Freshly clean. And we're here. We made it. Here's pool number 1. That is waterfall number 1. Look at the views, guys. Come man. Look at this. Look at the views. Right, I'm going to take you up to the main waterfall. Here we are, guys. Here's the treasure. Look at this. Amazing. Just look at it, guys. Just take a look at that. Absolute breathtaking. Yes. Alright, we're going to pause the video for a sec. We'll be back to it. But enjoy.